Hello. Whitney and I have decided to go to Austin. So I was just going to leave it at that and say that we were headed to Austin, but Whitney quickly let me know that I needed to tell you guys why. The reason why we're headed to Austin so spontaneously is our anniversary. Yesterday marks 1 full year that Whitney and I have been together. Won't have my camera out a lot, but I'll try to take you guys along the way as I can. But we'll see you guys back in Austin, or on the way to Austin. Whatever. I'll catch back up to you when we get to Austin. Okay? Peace. So what you have there is, so Chick-fil-A's running this promotion. They're doing a peach lemonade tea. Peach tea lemonade?
Yeah, it was peach tea lemonade.
Yeah, peach tea lemonade. And Whitney's not too fond of tea. So she asked them, hey, is there a way that you could take the tea out?
No, I didn't. They just suggested it.
Okay.
Even better.
They suggested, hey, after she shared with them that her distaste for tea, they offered to make this. Bravo, Chick-fil-A. Those of you who don't go to Chick-fil-A, go right now and get, well, they told us not to tell anybody. Shut up, I'm gonna upload this. Chick-fil-A, you're the real winner. Okay, so obviously we love, you've seen from previous vlogs that I really like to stop at Buc-ee's whenever we're traveling and stuff. So I used to live in Austin for like 8 years before I moved to Dallas, and I didn't realize that there was a Buc-ee's, or they had built a Buc-ee's on along 35 South. So we're gonna go check this one out. If you guys haven't been to a Buc-ee's, these places are amazing. So we're gonna go check that place out. So, oh shit. Alright, so we're at Buc-ee's. Whitney already went inside because she just couldn't wait. But I'm gonna top off on gas, and we're about an hour away from Austin, so not that far to go, but like I said, I'll never pass up an opportunity to go to a Buc-ee's. So I'll just leave the camera in here, but leave a little bit for the imagination. But you guys should definitely, that's my cue. One thing that I definitely had forgotten about was the traffic in Austin. There's just really one main highway that goes through it. It's I-35. You know, I guess living in Dallas, there's so many highways, so many, you know, thoroughfares that we can use. The traffic's horrible. I mean, it's Saturday. Alright, so Whitney and I have made it to Austin. You can see that the state capitol is right there, but it's a little bit too soon to check into our hotel, so we figured we'd go check out the hotel, or the the hotel, the state capitol. I love it here. Weather's nice. It's getting hot, but this weather's great. we're gonna go check out the state capitol right quick. Love this place. This gentleman right here from Amy's.
What's up, dude?
Hey, what's going on? He gave us this free ice cream, so already off to a great start. Yeah, thanks, brother. I appreciate you.
Have a good one, man.
Thank
too.
you.
Quick update. All of the systems are completely down. There's a line all the way out the door to check in. Trying to remain patient, but I was really gonna set up some cool shit and have you guys see the room, but you'll see the follow-up to this story tomorrow. I'll make sure I edit both of them and I'll upload that one tomorrow, but I'll go ahead and end this vlog here just so that I can try to get back into my room. See you guys later.